Today, let's make some KFC famous bowls, Dollar Tree style. You will need some mashed potatoes, butter or margarine, gravy mix, corn, chicken nuggets, and, of course, cheese. Starting with the potatoes, I brought 4 cups of water and 4 tablespoons of margarine to a boil, then stirred in my potatoes, put on a lid, and set it aside. The recipe called for milk, but I didn't find that to be necessary. Next was the gravy, which I just made according to the package instructions, which was bringing 1.5 cups of water to a boil over the stove, add in the gravy mix to a half cup of cold water separately, and combine the two over medium-high heat until thickened. For the corn, I added 2 tablespoons of margarine into a skillet over medium heat. I added in 2 cups of the corn, which wasn't quite the entire bag, seasoned that with salt, pepper, and then added some water and allowed that to simmer. The chicken nuggets went in my air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, flipping halfway. And then with my KitchenAid mixer, I shredded both cheeses at the same time so that they mix together as they shred. Lastly, I cut all the chicken nuggets into quarters to stretch them a little bit further. And then we're done. All of our ingredients are prepped. Let's assemble our bowls. I'm using these aluminum pans from the Dollar Tree that come in a 4-pack so that I can make these to be reheated later. I distributed all of my potatoes evenly between the pans and then used a spoon to spread it out in an even layer. Then I distributed all the corn and then all of the chicken tenders. Lastly, I gave each bowl a healthy drizzle of gravy and a handful or so of cheese. I didn't end up using all the gravy or cheese, mostly for aesthetic reasons, but feel free to use it all. That's definitely the best part. I've been making Dollar Tree videos on YouTube for about a year now, and I will say that this is hands down one of my favorite recipes that I've ever made. Definitely give this a try and let me know how you like it.